Frustrated with tangled hair? Here's the simple solution with Unite 7 Seconds Detangler. Do you spend more time struggling with tangles than actually enjoying your beautiful hair? We've all been there, fighting stubborn knots and dealing with frizz that just won't quit. The frustration can leave you wondering, is there a better way? The answer is a resounding yes. Unite 7 Seconds Detangler is here to save the day. This lightweight, leave-in conditioner instantly tackles tangles, smooths your strands, and strengthens your hair, making it easier to comb, style, and manage. Say goodbye to your daily battle and hello to a sleek, healthy mane in seconds. We all know how damaging heat styling and UV rays can be to your hair, but what if there was a product that not only detangled but also protected your locks from these harmful elements? Unite 7 Seconds Detangler does exactly that. Its unique protein-based formula seals the hair cuticle and provides thermal and UV protection, ensuring that your hair stays strong, vibrant, and healthy. No more worrying about heat tools or the sun's rays ruining your hair. With 7 seconds, your hair gets the strength and protection it needs to thrive, day after day. But the problem doesn't end with just detangling and protection. Many products leave hair feeling weighed down, greasy, or limp. That's where Unite 7 Seconds Detangler truly shines. This product is designed to be ultra lightweight, so it won't drag your hair down or leave it feeling heavy. Instead, it adds volume, body, and a fresh scent, making your hair feel bouncy and clean all day long. You'll love how your strands stay soft, smooth, and manageable without any of the residue that heavier products leave behind. Are you someone with chemically treated or extension-enhanced hair? Finding a product that works without damaging or weighing it down can feel like a quest in itself. Luckily, 7 Seconds Detangler is safe for all hair types, including chemically treated hair and extensions. It works hard to preserve color and strengthen your hair, ensuring that your locks stay in top condition, no matter how much you've had them colored, styled, or treated. It's the go-to solution for those who want to maintain their hair's integrity and keep their look flawless. In the end, why settle for products that promise results but fall short? Unite 7 Seconds Detangler is the all-in-one solution you've been searching for. It saves you time by instantly detangling, strengthens and protects your hair, and doesn't weigh it down. Whether you're looking for frizz control, protection, or a smooth, easy-to-manage look, this product delivers it all. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and free of harsh chemicals, so you can feel good about the way it works for both your hair and the environment. Make the switch today, you'll wonder how you ever lived without it.